must tell you, I just left for a little skate ride, and what an animal. On my way to a skate ride, I find all these camels having fun. I like it! I came to Barracuda, place where you buy the must-needed medicine for any human being living here in Dubai. And one of the greatest things that it's very close here to Barracuda is an abandoned aircraft, and we're gonna have a look at it right now. It's amazing. Okay, so here we are. We arrived to the abandoned aircraft. Check this out, this is amazing. So this aircraft belonged to a Russian guy many years ago, and this Russian guy used to smuggle weapons to Africa. One day this airplane was confiscated here in UAE and stayed here since then. I'm gonna post here in the description so you can actually check out the report of what happened with this aircraft. See that kid over there? I think it's not allowed for us to be here anyway. Okay, so I was just stopped by the police guy, and it's not allowed to be here close to the aircraft. This is an airfield closed many years ago, and we shouldn't have access to this aircraft, obviously. And there's people on top of the aircraft, as you can see. There's people inside. This is like kind of a touristic place to come, and everyone comes here. There's a road right here, a highway. I mean, it's clearly an awesome experience to get inside an aircraft. But I probably should leave. I've been inside this aircraft once, but maybe I should leave. Super cool place. I'm going now to meet a friend. Let's check this out. But yeah, now we are getting into the desert. I don't know if this is private or not. I just need to be a little careful. Usually people around here, they are very nice. Even if you're not supposed to be here, they are nice. So I want to do something with my car, which probably I shouldn't, but I want to do a burnout that I've never tried before. I found this place here in the desert, which was probably a lake, and it's a lake that it's dry right now, and I was wondering if I can have some fun with my car over here, so I'm gonna try it out. The soil, it's a little crunchy because I thought it was wet, and if it's wet it's very dangerous, and I don't want to get stuck here. That's the last thing I want. So first thing to do is press this button and wait for all the stability controls to be off. Now we are ready. So I'm gonna leave the phone here. My car is a little dirty, a lot. Check this out. This is full of sand everywhere. Come on, this is crazy. I can't wait to see this image. It's probably gonna be amazing. Hey, Look at that.